Tired of the 9-5 grind? Yearn to earn big while working from the comfort of your home? You're in the right place. Welcome to the new age of work. More and more people are breaking free from traditional office spaces to embrace remote jobs. These positions offer the flexibility to work when you want and where you want, creating a work-life balance that was once just a pipe dream. So, ready to dive into the world of high-paying remote jobs? First on our list is freelance writing. This is a job that truly embodies the essence of working from anywhere, as all you need is a laptop and a reliable internet connection. So, what does a freelance writer do? They craft compelling narratives, informative articles, engaging blog posts, and much more for various clients across the globe. Now let's talk income. Depending on their experience and the type of writing they're engaged in, a freelance writer can earn anything from a decent living wage to a six-figure income annually. The sky truly is the limit in this field. But what skills do you need? Well, a command of language is essential, as is a sense of creativity. You'll also need a knack for research, as your writing should be accurate and informative. But most importantly, you need to be self-motivated and disciplined to meet deadlines without a boss looking over your shoulder. If you have a way with words, freelance writing might be your ticket to a lucrative remote job. Scene script. Next up, we have the role of a virtual assistant. Imagine having a job where you're the backbone of a business, keeping things running smoothly from the comfort of your own home. That's what a virtual assistant does. The tasks they handle can vary greatly, from answering emails and scheduling appointments to managing social media accounts and even doing some data entry. Now, the potential earnings for a virtual assistant can be quite attractive. It's not uncommon to hear of virtual assistants making a mid to high four-figure monthly income. Your earnings will largely depend on your experience, the complexity of the tasks, and the hours you're willing to put in. As for the skills required, being organized is key. You'll also need to be a good communicator, tech-savvy, and able to multitask effectively. The demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing as businesses realize the value of having a remote professional handle their administrative tasks. If organization and multitasking are your strengths, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Our third high-paying remote job is online tutoring. As an online tutor, you're not just helping students ace their exams. You're inspiring confidence, instilling knowledge, and shaping the minds of the future, all from the comfort of your own home. The beauty of this role is that it is as diverse as the subjects you can teach. From mathematics to music, science to Spanish, there's potential for everyone. And with the recent shift to remote learning, the demand for online tutors has skyrocketed. So, what about the income? Well, depending on your expertise and the hours you put in, you can earn a substantial income. Some tutors are making upwards of six figures. And the qualifications? While a degree in your chosen subject can be beneficial, it's not always necessary. What's truly important is a deep understanding of your subject and a passion for sharing that knowledge. If teaching is your passion, then online tutoring can be a rewarding and high-paying remote job. These are just a few examples of reliable, high-paying jobs you can do from home. The world of work has evolved, and there are countless opportunities waiting for you to seize them. You may have a knack for crafting compelling narratives like a freelance writer, channeling your organizational skills into being a virtual assistant, or sharing your expertise as an online tutor. Each of these roles offers the chance to work remotely, an option that is not only convenient, but also rewarding in so many ways. You can cut out the commute, work in your pajamas if you like, and have the flexibility to manage your time in a way that suits you best. Imagine being able to work from the comfort of your own home, or even while traveling the world. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? These jobs aren't just about making money from home. They're about creating a lifestyle that gives you freedom and flexibility, while also providing a steady income. But remember, these are just examples. There are countless other remote jobs out there, each with their own unique benefits and challenges. So don't limit your search to these three. Explore the vast expanse of the digital job market, and you're bound to find something that fits your skills and passions perfectly. Remember, the perfect job for you is out there, and it might just be a click away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your dream job awaits you.